Okay guys, it is Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. Joe is off today. I'm kind of tooling around the shop, gonna get some stuff done, maybe clean up a bit. 69 RoadRunner, gas tanks. Well, the tank itself is not in, but all the hangers and the mountings are all in and welded. We have to do the trunk. Well, not do the trunk, but we have to paint the trunk. Seal it and paint it. And of course, we got to setting up the gaps on this door and ran into this. So we tried something new. Everybody says that panel bond is as good as welding, so we put a piece of panel bond behind it because the entire fender is screwed up. This car was T-boned on this side. His frame is bent a little, not the frame, but a kind of a gusset coming off the frame is bent up, and so we're basically getting it all tweaked out. Today I'm just going to finish the body work. Everything is going to be ready to go, and we're going to paint this puppy hopefully this weekend, next week, something like that. It's going to be painted. I can't wait to see this thing painted and hear it run. I'm looking forward to going for a ride. All right, guys. Stay tuned and we'll show you the final product. All right, guys. We're here on Friday, day after Thanksgiving. We've been working on getting that little piece fixed. That's almost done, just needs to be sanded. It's all looking good. Almost ready to paint. We've got to reshoot the hood because I don't like the way it came out. So I'm going to shoot it back again. Get a different kind of hot rod black. And that's what we got on that. I figured I'd take some time to start building my motor. This one is going, this one's going into, it's a 350, going into my Plymouth. No, I'm not putting a Mopar in. I figured if I put a Chevy in, if I get stuck with the car anywhere, I can just go grab pieces from anywhere and fix that puppy up. So that's going to go in. I've got to redo the heads. As you can see, we have plenty of motor parts. So that's what we got going there. This puppy's still for sale. This is a 400 Pontiac motor out of a, I believe it's anywhere from a 75 up to a 78 or an 80 Trans Am. That one's for sale. That's been rebuilt. It's just pretty much ready to go. And now we're ready to get started painting and all that kind of fun, happy stuff. Will you guys like and subscribe? God, I love that car. And we will be talking to you. This is a short one today.